Hi everyone, I'm Niyati.
And I'm Siley, and together we're Fin Cocktail.
So today we're going to talk about something that only elderly people need to worry about, pension plans.
We're joking. It doesn't matter how old you are, you need to start planning for your retirement as soon as possible. Only then is it easily attainable.
Absolutely. So let's dive right in. Pension plans or retirement plans basically make you put a certain portion of your income aside into an assigned plan. Now basically the objective of this is to ensure that you have a normal salary post-retirement. Yaad hai, if your grandparents worked a government job, then they would get a pension post-retirement. And that would mean that they wouldn't have to worry about their day-to-day kharchas. It's something just like that.
Considering the ever increasing inflation, putting money aside in these plans may have become fundamental. And regardless of what other investments you have, you may want to consider one of these. क्योंकि हमारे जो financial goals होते हैं, जैसे घर लेना, गाड़ी लेना, बच्चों की पढ़ाई etc., इनमें काफ़ी पैसे खर्च हो जाते हैं. At the end, you have to have something for yourself, right? Something that makes your retirement stress-free.
इन अ रिटायरमेंट प्लान आपको एक स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट कंट्रीब्यूट करनी होती है टुवर्ड्स द प्लान अंटिल योर रिटायरमेंट. तो ये जो अक्यूमुलेटेड अमाउंट होती है वो आपको वापस मिलती है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एन्युइटी और पेंशन एट द टाइम ऑफ रिटायरमेंट एट रेगुलर इंटरवल्स. Pension plans not only take care of an individual's financial future post-retirement, but they also take care of eventualities in retirement.
Now, just like any other investment option, pension plans में भी बहुत सारे options होते हैं आपके requirements के हिसाब से. There are multiple classifications, but broadly there are these 8 that are displayed on your screen. If you want to know details about these, head over to policybazaar.com, and while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to their channel.
Okay, getting back to it. In today's day and age, people plan their retirement life at a very early stage so that later on they don't have to worry about making ends meet. In case you're considering pension plans, it's important that you keep in mind these few key features that you should be looking out for. The annuity is the most distinctive feature of a pension plan. That comes in two types, immediate annuity and deferred annuity. As the name suggests, immediate annuity starts immediately. The insurance company pays the annuity amount right after receiving the lump sum premium. This plan comes with an option of single premium payment so that the insurance company can use the amount invested by the policyholder to create a corpus for him or her.
The deferred annuity pension plan, as the name suggests again, defers your payments for a few years. So basically they start paying the annuity after a certain number of years. The insurance companies offer a wide range of plans and options, so you can choose when you receive these payments. If you're looking forward to some retirement planning, keep in mind the maturity and the premium that you have to pay before you make a decision.
The sum assured is a predefined amount offered to the insured. This is offered as a death or maturity benefit. Under some pension schemes, the sum assured is calculated as 10 times of the annual premium paid, while in some others, it is determined by the fund value of the policy opted. In case of no sum assured, the plan is more of a pure pension plan rather than an insurance plan with a pension scheme.
Now this is the age जब investors को monthly pension मिलना शुरू हो जाता है. For example, most pension plans keep this vesting age at 45 or 50 years. General retirement age is what they believe. But this age is flexible, up to 70 years. कुछ companies up to 90 years की vesting age allow करती है. It completely depends on them.
तो इन्वेस्टर्स के पास चॉइस होती है. वो या तो प्रीमियम एक बार में ही पे कर सकते हैं, जिसे लंप सम इन्वेस्टमेंट बोलते हैं, या फिर रेगुलर इंटरवल्स में प्रीमियम पे कर सकते हैं. दिस इज देन accumulated over the long period to create a financial cushion for the insurer. In a pension scheme, आप जब से इन्वेस्ट करना शुरू करते हैं और जब तक इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, इसे एक्यूमुलेशन पीरियड कहते हैं. फॉर इंस्टेंस, आप 30 इयर्स की उम्र पे इन्वेस्ट करना शुरू करते हैं और 60 इयर्स की उम्र तक आप इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, तो accumulation period इस केस में आपका 30 years हो जाता है. Your pension for the chosen period mainly comes from this accumulated corpus.
Now payment period is when the investor starts receiving these payments post-retirement. अब for example अगर कोई 60 years की उम्र से 75 years तक pension लेता है, तो that payment period becomes 15 years. Now most of these pension plans try to keep the accumulation and payment period separate. But कोई ऐसे भी plans होते हैं that offer partial or full withdrawal during the accumulation period.
लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, सरेंडर वैल्यू। ये वैल्यू वो होती है जो आपको मिलती है इन केस यू सरेंडर द प्लान बिफोर मैच्योरिटी only if you've paid the minimum premium installments. When an insurer surrenders a pension plan, they lose all benefits offered by the plan, including life cover if any.
So when you're picking the right pension plan for you, make sure that you look at all these terms. Moreover, you have to look at one more thing: the minimum guarantee of all pension plans. Every premium paid towards the insurance benefit as well as the maturity benefit should have an on-zero returns as instructed by the IRDA. This should not be less than 1% of all the premiums paid over the years.
Though the minimum guarantee is applicable on all variable insurance plans, some pension plans may offer better returns. The minimum guarantee of a pension plan guarantees a specific amount that the policyholder will definitely receive at the end of the policy period.
So that's about it. Like we said before, head on to policybazaar.com and browse through the pension plans and pick the right one for you.